Good morning, Class 8. Hope you all had a nice, restful spring break. Today we will read the story, There is a Bird on My Head by Mo Willems. While I'm reading this story, I want you to think about what you liked in the story. You see these two children right here? They're reading a book about cats. The boy is thinking that he liked the part when the cat was taking a nap. The girl was thinking she liked when the cat was chasing the ball. So, while I am reading There's a Bird on Your Head, I want you to think about what you like in the story. Okay? Here we go. There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. There's a bird on your head. Mm-hmm. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Oh, I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have three eggs on your head. I do not want three eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed the story, friends. It was good to see you again. And when you listen to the story, let me know what you liked about the story. See you later.